Hi, my name is Kazuya Yasui, and I'm doing my final project for PVA physics, which is a circuit board. So to start off the circuit board, I first cut the provided aluminum foil into two different pieces. I then folded those pieces around a cardboard stick to create two skinny aluminum foil sticks. I then cut one of the sticks in half, so now we have three aluminum sticks, one long and two short. And these aluminum sticks will act as wires inside our circuit. I then removed the ending of the wire from the two light bulbs so we could have an area where to connect the aluminum stick or wire with the light. So I started the assembly process as shown here. My circuit was a bit smaller than the provided example circuit because I was using a AAA battery instead of a AA, so it did change the size a tiny bit. So you can see we created a circuit using electric wires. We connected the light and the electric wire with paper clips and fitted the entire circuit around plastic cones. Okay, so this is the circuit board in action. First, I started off with the parallel circuit by connecting the two lights and then connecting it with the paper clips. As you can see, it's much brighter. Then this one, which is a series circuit, I connected the light together through one wire and then to the wire. And you can see when I turn it on, the light is much dimmer than the previous one. So one major connection I made from this project to previous stuff we learned throughout the course was the difference in strength of power and the power between the series circuit and the parallel circuit. In the parallel circuit, we saw like a much brighter light between the two of them compared to the series circuit where the lights were much dimmer. And we learned about this during the course because the voltage in a series circuit is basically split up. Is split up into the two light bulbs in the series circuit, so there's less power going to each of them. It's just half of the battery's power. But in a parallel circuit, the voltage is the same amount of voltage is going to each of the lights, making them much brighter and having the full power of the battery for both lights. So yeah, that was a major connection, and I guess that's also the results for my lab. I think one mistake that I may have made is that I should have used a AA battery so it would more better match the diagram that was given to me, so I knew where to put the pipettes and stuff like that. But I didn't have any AA, so I only used a AAA, so it definitely messed with the placing of the pipettes, which could have affected the circuit, making the connection between the wire and the battery much tighter or something like that. So yeah, that's one mistake I made, and in the future I'll probably use a AA battery. So thank you so much for listening to this video, and yeah, this was my project.